Okay, it's quite a nice little parcel of quite bright blue stone, mostly blue stones. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted and it's from central Queensland in Australia. Let's take the rule away and let's give you a bit more colour straight away. As you can see, some are better than others. This one's fell over. Decide which stone you want it there. So the parent material is all quite hard, so it should give you a nice polish all over. The thing with Boulder Opal, the seams can be quite thin, so you need to be gentle with your polishing. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Make some nice little pendants or ring stones, or a group for a pendant or something. Just depends on what you fancy. Anyway, I don't know if I showed you that piece. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.